The Mental Health Foundation has found that within the past 12 months, 74% of people have felt so stressed that they have been overwhelmed or unable to manage with day-to-day living. And here in York, awareness events are being put on throughout the week.
So we've got lots of different stands from different organisations. We've got Dementia Forward, we've got the Retreat, who do a lot of really important work, and support for adults and for children. We've got the Time to Change campaigning, really aiming to get people chatting and normalising it. This is the first one that we've held at Acomb Explore, I believe, but I think we've had other kind of health activity days across the service, and it's building on stuff that we have done at Acomb Explore previously in terms of wellbeing days.
With many organisations here to offer a helping hand, have they seen a rise in the amount of people coming forward with mental health troubles?
Definitely we have, yeah. Over the last few months we've been increasing numbers of members, and we've got a lot of different people signing up for various courses and activities with us because we don't have any kind of threshold of need. We'll, work with absolutely anyone and whatever they want to do. So yeah, we do things like singing and cookery, as well as courses to build on self-esteem and confidence and assertiveness.
Since the Tuke Centre opened, we've seen an increase for demand and need year on year. Something that we're doing at the moment is reviewing all of our services at the retreat, and that includes the Tuke Centre. One of the proposals is to actually expand the service provision that we offer to meet that need. We're certainly seeing an increased need from people, and we'd like to be able to meet that for now and the future.
One campaign aims at helping children who may be struggling with the stress of their studies.
Time to Change is a local campaign to do with helping to break down the stigma and discrimination that's so often connected with mental health. We did a short film recently which introduced the work, and now this is sort of a follow-on to see us in action in a wellness day here in Acomb. This is Ruth. Ruth is one of our volunteers, one of our new champions, who's helping to champion the work of Time to Change, mainly in some of our schools.
Especially at the moment with exam season being on the doorstep with GCSE students and A-level students, there's more and more students in crisis, whether it's depression and anxiety, panic attacks. There's a lot of students out there that are struggling, and I think a lot of parents that don't understand how they can help them either.
The main emphasis is to encourage them to talk a bit about it. Talk about mental health stuff as if they were talking about football or if they got the flu and those sort of things, so as we can encourage them just to be open and help to break down the stigma that's connected with it through conversation.
With the purpose of this week to get people opening up and talking about mental health, through this event, hopefully they'll be one step closer. Luke Taylor, That's TV.